What a piano is to a musician, prayer is to meditate. Prayer is what you do and what you begin with, and meditation is what happens in you. Microbiotic diet is undoubtedly the healthy diet that should be prescribed. As many varieties of microbiotic diet as possible should be practiced, and the number of cooked articles should be reduced. Uncooked natural foods should be increased, and especially in the case of legumes and roots and fruits, we should make it a point that as many of uncooked and fresh articles as possible are to be assimilated. As many fresh fruits and foods as possible should be procured and assimilated. And foods preserved in freeze should be at all avoided if we want the results to be expected. And taking things that are ice cool and warm things alternating with them should be totally avoided. People take coffee and then eat ice cream, or some people eat ice cream and then take coffee. The health each time crumbles like anything. The decay of teeth in a very early age is the inevitable result when ice cooled things are alternated with warm things. What happens to the enamel of the teeth when exposed to heat and cold alternatively? And generally, we eat more than what we need. That should be mercilessly cut off. We should never eat less than what we need, but we should never eat more than what we need. See, he cannot practice yoga who eats more than needed or less than what is needed by the body. These are the words of the Bhagavad Gita. So, generally, due to habit, we eat a little more than what we need. We can reduce it. And we can prescribe fixed timings for our feed. We go on chewing something in the house and in the office, and some chocolates or some nuts are repeatedly being chewed. And what happens if we do not prescribe a time for the staff who is working inside? They are the most faithful workers who are working inside. They do not go on strikes. They are in no way socialistic to our constitution. They are only social. And we should not make it impossible for them to make their duty properly. So, if we propose certain timings to eat, and if we refuse to eat at other times, that helps a lot in our health. I know many people who still live in the in the traditional families of India, now walking briskly on the streets when they are 103 and 104 years of age. Now I can show you in the villages of India who eat once a day very rich, good food, and who drink water only after they eat. For 24 hours they neither eat nor drink once a day. This is a statistical fact which you can verify when you come to India. You demand me, I will show people who live like that. So the timings are also as important as the quality of the food. These are broadly the essential principles that make us healthy day by day and remove the need of medicines. There are certain very delicate things. I just hinted them 1 or 2 points. If they are palatable to you, you can take them, or otherwise you can refuse them. Ideally speaking, the pill should not be taken. Contraception can be attained by any other methods except medication. And any medication to prepone or postpone menstrual periods should never be done. And when once such a thing is done, you can never dream of your previous health in this life. A complete recovery is not at all possible when once this is defaulted. So these things should also be added to the previous ones. Though it is not decomposed, it is dead. And it creates in 80% of the cases arthros.